Greetings. This is Ragashanti. The reason you're hearing my voice right now at the beginning, well, thank you for listening to yet another, edition of a Ragashanti classic shows that I did from many years ago in Jamaica. And thank you for supporting Ragashanti TV. The reason why you're hearing my voice right now at the beginning of this recording has to do with the way that the recording start. For some reason, the first part of the show was cut off. And not only was it cut off, but it cut off in a way that it started right in the middle of a mix-up. And it's a fairly famous mix-up too. And I thought about just cutting off the other half of that mix-up and then just starting the show from where was available after that other half of the mix-up cut off to say why it not go confuse but I thought about it and I realized that it may confuse even more because some references are made to the mix-up at the beginning where it's only half. Some references are made to it in the remainder of the show, and I realized that would confuse Not only that, this is a show that followed a last show. If anyone listened to the last Ragashanti live before this, you would have heard of the unfortunate incident where a famous caller back in the day, a country girl from Donkey Lane in Trelawny, did call in and tell about a terrible incident involving a 48-year-old man who sexually abused a 15-year-old girl. And that show, again, if you listened it, it ended. The last caller of that show is a woman who, she was basically defending the rapist. And who we learn, she was related to his brother. And being very insensitive to what occurred to the 15-year-old girl. And given that was the last caller, I knew that by the next day when I do the show again, people are going to call in and respond to what she's doing. And I'm going to take her on and take it to her. And that is what is happening in this show that you're going to listen now. So given that is the focus of this show. And then now, at the start of the show, you may go hear a whole different mix-up, which is just half that people make reference to throughout the show. I knew that this would it had the potential to confuse many of you, and that is why I am here right now. Basically, I'm just going to tell you what the mix-up was in terms of the one where you're going to hear the show start with just half. And what it is was that a young lesbian had called in, and she was, she explained that she was contemplating suicide for go kill herself because her girlfriend, the woman who she did there with, they left her and got there with a next woman. And basically I was doing what I usually do in situations like those, was just counseling her and encouraging her, not to go and hurt herself or to do anything unfortunate and thing to herself and thing like that. And we had even contacted her ex who had left her, and the ex was on the radio too. So I just want you to know that you're going to hear half of the mix-up, but that is the context of the mix-up, in terms of what the first part was that you didn't hear. And even though you're hearing this at the beginning, you will be able to understand the references made to it, throughout the remainder of the show, while at the same time, listening to the reaction from the callers to the woman in the other mix-up who did call in, who was the last caller, on the show before, and who was defending the rapist then. So that is, I just wanted to appreciate, those two things and their component parts, so that you're not confused and bewildered and just left out and just dash a see and you don't know what go on when you're listening mix up and thing. So it going to start now, and it going to start with the second half of the mix up, with respect to the lesbian who, our girlfriend, they left her. And then throughout the remainder of the show, you would also hear people's reaction to the woman who had called in and defended the rapist. Thank you for supporting the content over here, and I hope you're learning from it, and I hope you're learning about Jamaican culture and Jamaican people, and I hope you're also being entertained, and you can laugh and enjoy yourself and all these things, with the more comedic stuff, and I'm well aware that a lot of the stuff here, they're more on the serious side, but no less informative and no less representing an opportunity for you to learn, stuff about people and stuff about Jamaican culture and so forth. All right? Take care of yourself. Thank you. And continue supporting Ragashanti TV. We have a lot more content to come for you to enjoy and learn from. Remember the motto, Ragashanti motto: laugh, learn, and grow. Laugh, learn, and grow. Find something for bring look of joy to you every day. And enjoy learning about things. And it don't have to be academic, like book learning and things. Learn something about human nature, about culture, about, anything. And try if you grow in a life, if you grow like you have to get 10 million degree or anything like that, But, enjoy life by improving yourself and, bringing certain ambitions to fruition, and can see yourself, say, boy, I have evolved. I come from so and so, and look at me there and thing like that. Laugh, learn, and grow. Big up on yourself. So, okay, enjoy the rest of the this episode of a Ragashanti Classic, right? Bless up.
It's hard, man.
It's a hard, but you can do it. I know you can do it.
Yeah, I'm going to shake it easy for say.
Eh? No, it's easier for me, say, I'm in the position where you, I know, but you can do it. Because you don't want in this position where you torture yourself and she's with this other woman who she love and who she's with and who, she don't want to leave and so forth. And you're just in this never-ending thing, that woman, they are styling and all them something there and whatever, I don't know. Unless you believe so you can win her back. But you're going to try let go then, all right? And you just stay strong and hold it and just go on, here?
Yeah, I'm not hang up the phone. Let me talk to her.
No, she's right there. Talk to her. She'll hear you,
Hello?
Yeah.
So why you never tell me then say it done? Why you never tell me say it done?
It's in zone broadcasting. I'm telling you.
What?
They chose to broadcast it.
All right. We call her later.
All right, then.
Big up yourself, Raga.
Okay, I remember now. You still there? Huh?
Yeah.
All right, listen now. Remember you did that tell me, say, you were so upset that you have rope and all them things. Me I tell you straight, I don't want you to do anything where you go harm yourself, here.
Me not know.
No, do it for your Uncle Raga, and more important, do it for yourself. Please, man, I beg you, don't do anything for harm yourself.
Me not know, Raga. Me not know.
No, you may think this is the end of the world right now, but many people have been where you are right. I mean, not just lesbians, but other people have been when them feel like it's the end of the world and them can't go on. And, them just hold it and go through and look back and them remember, say, boy, at that time I did rough and I did feel like I can't go on, but I hold it and give thanks, here. But I want you to do that for you, here.
It's hard to do.
We know it's hard to do.
Sure, yeah, I always listen to it.
All right, blessings and respect, here.
Yeah.
You take care. And you too here, Putus?
All right.
You take care, both of you. All right, we're going to break. What's the man doing news soon for? Well, we don't know what's the phone is still. I want to respond to the last caller yesterday, and I'm sure no phone will respond to one just here. But in the meantime, we do have a topic here. Sure, people, bossy people, and big shot people mix up. Sure, people, bossy people, big shot people mix up. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon, Mixup An Blenda. Hello.
Pick up yourself, Raga.
Long time.
Yeah. Me one little bossy mix up for you.
Senan.
Yeah. Every day them come out in some big car and hype as ever.
Yeah.
And at night time come, then go and thief people coal and go and brought down the place them in night town.
Then go and them a cow thief and every day them dress up and hype up in a big car and be a
Just up and iPad and everybody else and show off like nothing.
And night time then go and thief cow?
Go and thief cow.
But how you know that cow then thief? How you know a cow then thief?
Because people catch them 1 and 2 times.
I thief the people in cow?
I thief the people in cow.
So them a hype and a splurt and beer things and them a cow thief?
Beer cow, them a thief and a thief people yam.
And a thief, all yam them a thief too?
All yam them a thief.
Well, you know, over Trelawney over there, so yam there and thing, all TV people, them yam and all them thing, they and a hype and a show off with it also. So a real top man them, Top man, every minute them change them vehicle.
For real?
And crazy woman after them, don't it?
Crazy woman after them.
And woman them must know so them a cow thief and yam thief too.
But through them I get the money, them now look on that.
And now look on that, them just a splurt to the Kyle, don't? And them say spoil. Anyway, a blessings and respect here.
Yeah, man, Raga, one more thing. The girl was just call it I wouldn't mind get her number in her.
Which one?
The butch.
You want the butch number?
Yeah.
Why you want the butch number?
Come on, console her and heal her heart.
You want...
Fight!
You want... It sounds to me like you want to get her a fix up, you know?
Yeah.
You want to get her a fix up? You're straight lesbian or bisexual?
Straight.
You're straight lesbian?
Yeah.
Even that sound weird. That sound like a paradox, a contradiction. Straight lesbian. But anyway. So you want her number?
Yeah.
All right, you know what we're going to do? We're going to make Ruth take your number. Then we're going to ask her if we can give she your number here.
All right.
So wait, when you say you want console her, what you want? You draft here then straight up here making one.
Straight.
So you butcher or you femme?
Femme.
You want femme?
Yeah.
But you're a confident femme?
Yeah.
How long have you been a lesbian?
From ever since.
From ever since?
Yeah.
You've never been with a man before or anything?
No.
No, okay. There's always women, don't it?
Yeah.
And you don't want no man?
No.
Okay, I just woman you say?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. And then, so you want to give her a talk and see what's possible between you and her, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then, all right. Then, Ruth, we'll take your number here. And if, when Ruth take your number now, we're going to ask she if we can give, okay? Because we don't give out people number like that, here.
All right.
So we're going to ask her if she want to accept the link. And then we'll see what you want to. But you must call her back and tell you something below tight, here.
Yeah, man.
All right, don't say a word. Telephone lines, we go. Good afternoon, Mixup An Blenda. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
About you, mean I coach Steve your furniture.
No, about you, mean Raga.
About you, mean I think coach take back your furniture.
Raga. Yes, Mixup Raga.
So what go down, you know?
Anyway, first time caller, long time listener. Raga, love your advice. I can laugh, so.
Well, a while ago, I said if coach Steve your furniture, I meant to say if coach take back your furniture here. Because we don't want anybody to think we're accusing coach of anything. Because nobody know if coach Steve in anything.
You're up on the side.
You're up on the site. Not say a word, baby. What you up on the site?
Clean up.
Clean up, all right. So everything jiggy. Talk to me, you know.
Anyway, Raga, I really mix up my habits. I call out to the lady, like a 15-year-old get raped yesterday.
Yeah.
But the girl would call and said, the woman sell the little girl to the man.
Yeah.
Raga, if I could have gone to the phone to backside and grab that woman, the mother and do it.
Hey, me I tell you
I
something.
have to know if that woman they have fit me. Mr. Chino born me yesterday, Raga.
Everybody cut up about it, man.
So Raga, I feel hurt, not to mention when the little girl, when the lady I cry.
See there?
Cut up over it, man.
But you see, she was missing the point. The point is, the mother don't do what she accused the mother of. But even if the mother did go do something like that,
yeah,
and the man go and still go to the 15-year-old, and the 15-year-old fight him off and don't want none, it's still rape.
She don't have no right to tell them to Raga because she don't know a little girl go through.
So why she focus on the mother and not focus on the rape?
To me, Raga, so me hear she talk is like she and the man in a something.
Them have some link.
Some family.
Them have some link.
Them have some link.
Some link. Because me not see how she could have just did it so and I focus to defend the man right now, as if the rape no exists.
Raga, I have a 12-year-old that time. I said she looked like any like a 15-year-old. And I tell her, Raga, if it was me, I don't know how that man did manage.
See it there?
I don't know how that man did manage. Instead, the man got prison, Raga, I made her got prison.
See it there?
Anyway, Raga, that's my cause. And them things they were just got one a while ago, Raga. I bought them things there, yo.
You burn out lesbianism?
I bought them things there, Raga.
Why you said no two women for sleep together?
Two women man, them sing the fire buns for them sing the
Then
Raga.
suppose the woman them a say them now no nature for man and I just woman them love.
No, man, something wrong with them. They have to go live in our next world, man.
No,
And
but
I come for the year with them sing the Raga.
Suppose them say it's their choice not to want banana, but them prefer to eat chocho.
When I come for the year with them sing the Raga.
No, but them.
With them sing the man.
Listen, as far as the gay people them concerned, them feel them should have a voice and can talk up just like how people them talk up to. And that them say, no. And that me I hear them I say.
Yes, but when I can't go let them sing them, man. Them sing there enough to come from here, man.
No, but you know me run my show. All when you cuss me make you talk, don't it? All when people are done, me make them talk, don't it?
Yes, right.
You understand? We make people free up and talk. So if lesbian want to call me, I make them talk. If homosexual want to talk, I make them talk. Man all who love animal call this show and we make them talk, don't it?
Alright,
Cause
I love the mix-up.
Cause at the end of the day, it's Mixup. No, so they won't get
laughing from.
No, but when you get the joke, then you have to pop up, man. That crazy shit, man. I walk with you, man. Hey, me, what the sweetest job in the world, you know, man. Remember me tell you, but nah, like.
I like Raga. Every day I listen to you. Every day I listen to you.
All right, that's our word. Here, babes. Just go and hold it. Enough respect you for your hustling and sitting. All right? Good. Yo, Ruth just said that she is receiving too many cards for the butch number and it take up the phone line and thing and everybody, I will woman. I want you to tell me, Sir Ruth. Quite a few women are called for the girl number, you know, man. In other words, I will a lesbian out there want up the girl right now for console her and get her fix up. Like when I smell vulnerability, man. When I smell softness. Want to get up in that. Papa Jesus. Cardell Green must have listened and say he's right there, right at the head, Yo, people, we are set up a clash between Desmond McKenzie and Omar Davis, a musical clash. We just talked to Uncle Desi, we just talked to Desmond McKenzie, and him saying ready for the clash any day. So we have to now speak with Omar Davis and thing, and we set it up. We'll set up a musical clash between Desmond McKenzie and Omar Davis. Omar Davis from the PNP, Desmond McKenzie from the JLP. And you see how people from two sides of the aisle who can be passionately adversarial in Parliament, but at the end of the day can have a little friendly musical clash and thing. So I'm going to get in touch with Omar Davis and see if he will acquiesce to the proposition and see if we can let this thing come to fruition, which I hope that it will, because that would be scintillatingly wonderful indeed. Omar Davis and Desmond McKenzie in a musical clash. And thing. I do remember being a man and Angel up on the show Monday, man sitting. The Davises, this is the other set of Davises, will be on the show this Monday. And we're going to talk up the things with them and whatever and feature some of them songs. And here we're going with them because they are, they call them the royal couple of dancers. Okay, give me a time signal before we take the next call. All right, to the phone line, we're going to see him. We and thing Mixup and Blenda with the pan right now. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Greetings.
Me a call from Bahamas.
Bahamas.
I want to some little bossy thieving girl from New York. Them not the money, Raga. Them come to Jamaica for one-way ticket and can't pay them fare go back.
Talk up to me, boy.
Borrow money from people.
Talk up to me about the people. Them talk up to me. What you say, you know?
Raga, she dey on your wall too, you know. She dey on your wall.
Allah!
The girl favor iron board. Raga, me say the girl have a man a Portmore and the girl a stop peering for the boy and the boy not check for her.
Allah!
That's the worst thing ever happened to her, Raga.
Well, I shot you on the partner and I get no draw.
So far, not get no draw.
Awa!
Raga,
Yeah.
the girl can't clean. The girl can't cook. She can't do nothing.
So what you say? Is a bossy girl from New York?
Yeah, she come from St. Thomas, Raga.
From
And she live in New York now, and she have one man where she not stop mine, but she not know only for money. And welfare she depend, Raga.
Oh, she depend welfare in New York.
Yes, Raga.
So when she come out of Jamaica, be a hype she depend.
Yeah, Raga, and be a 200, she can't come to Jamaica, Raga. She can't 200 US come to Jamaica.
So anytime she
don't
come...
change it, it done, because the boy the whole our money.
Okay. So what you want to make you not like her?
Raga, me not like her. She not stop throwing probably on Facebook, Raga.
We a fan wall or AC wa?
Pay a fan wall, Raga.
Fan wall.
Raga, you know her. Right now, she dey pay a wall, Raga.
She dep on the fan wall right now?
She just put Raga. She just put the toy wall there.
She da. What you tell me, say? Well, on crisscross.
Let me say.
Crisscross. Call crisscross. Yeah, talk to me.
Raga, me say the girl rent condo put more for the boy. And
yes.
She want to stop taking all her money. Raga, when she send barrel come to Jamaica, welfare money, she take back the barrel. She don't have no money. She come from Jamaica, come from one-way ticket where they and a fear walk a beg $1,000 for buy back ticket for go to New York. Raga, she marry the boy and tell the boy say she can't take him up in New York and she can't take him up because she don't have no paper in New York.
A lie. Okay, then tell me something, Anna. She have green card?
Raga, I don't know what she have, but she can go to Jamaica with, but she can't take nobody up there.
Okay, but you said she can't file for nobody.
She can't file for nobody, so I don't know what kind of paper that she have. One of them paper that we can't file for nobody.
No, where crisscross there? What on man?
Raga, where you call crisscross for? Crisscross no noir.
No, man, because I want crisscross play music because I need to talk to you after you for update my file. Come on, no. I mean, all right, Jeremy.
Raga.
Well, on, stay where you there. Stay where you there. Yes, man. Yes, all right. Take off that. Take off that. Take off. No, man. Me there for run. Go look for her. Quick. So she a throw a word for you upon the fan wall too.
Raga, she not top throw a word for me.
Okay.
She like make war on Facebook, and everybody know her story. Raga be a mate she have. Every minute her mate then cuss her off.
Okay. So what you say now?
Raga, you see if you have an iron board?
Yeah, me look on her. Me look.
All of the iron board and pay for all. You will see her.
No, man, me look on her. She has some challenges, but
Raga, and her mate cuss her and tell her that she have an ice cream cone.
You know, easy, you know.
Raga, a small line over there when me go on a year time when them down them look better than them, yeah?
You see. Well,
anyway, Raga,
yeah.
I'm going back to work, man. Sure.
But a Bahamas, you're the right, you know.
Yes, Raga. Outside
Okay.
the workplace with a stand up, because I can't tell her the mix up in there.
Yo, me I look on her picture right, you know. We see her right, you know.
Raga, she not tan good.
She not pink.
She not cheap clothes than New York, eh?
Hey, she not pink.
Anyway, Raga, love you. Bye.
Yeah, man, blessings and thing. We're not allowed to say the name, auntie. We got the lady in a pink and white. Pink and Mixup. Papa Jesus, ayayde. As my mother would have said, ayayde. Here we go. Good afternoon.
Hello, Raga.
Whoa.
I'm only have 1 minute left for my credit. May I call about the transport authority them and the police them on the road?
Yeah.
Me not understand how the man raped the like a 15-year-old girl and them let go the man. But at the same time, them hold a man out the road for traffic and say I'm going to lock him down and I deny him food. I think food them no want him to get.
No, they can't deny it. That is against the law for the police officer to deny any person in lockdown food.
Them no want to get the man food. Them in a jail and them have him over the weekend. Them no want food to eat. And when them done, them anger people like people not come from nowhere and them don't know who them deal with. Them run them like, you know, you're some little careless people.
Okay, when them hold people for traffic offenses, the police them need to do better, yeah, say.
What may I say?
Okay, credit problem right there. Okay, Bonksana, but she was making the point that you know, that as far as she's concerned, there's a gentleman who was you know, there's a gentleman. Hey, some people are saying some mix up about this girl up on Facebook, you see, man. Them are saying some breed and mix up. Then somebody know. Then we. No, sir. And she said she look better than. No, sir. No, Miss Lady. In her pink blouse with the white jacket there. And thing. And alright, okay. She could all go change her profile picture quick now. You see? Yeah. All right. Okay, here, give me our next call. Yeah, good afternoon.
Hello?
Yes.
Good day, Raga.
Good day.
First time caller.
Yeah.
Long time listener. I want to big up my neighbor. You see, she both and she hype and JPS just cut off highlight, man, bigger up.
Yeah. So your neighbor, both your hype and JPS just cut off her light. Hello? Ruth, what happened? Okay. All right. She said her neighbor, both your hype and JPS just cut off their light. Well, me not go too laugh because what the JPS cut off my one too. Not because me not pay, me just move go somewhere and they never send a bill, come give me an all and thing there, whatever, and then cut off my light and this and that and that what, and so forth. Okay, well the person they were referring to is not on the AC wall, but the person is on the fan wall. But I just sent her a friend request to the AC wall. But I'm looking at her right now and in her black tights and her pink top and her white jacket and thing, you know. And darling, if you want to call in and give me your side of the mix-up, feel free to do so. Okay. Mm-hmm. Come. Good afternoon. Hello. Mixup An Blenda. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, good afternoon, Reggae.
Yeah.
Oh, you laughed them so bossy.
No, sir, I laugh that. People have said I laugh terrible, man.
Reggae, you're not no stress. You're stress-free.
You me?
Mm-hmm.
No, when I come to the show, you know. Me have problems like anybody else, you know. But you see, when I come to the show, I leave them at the door because uno don't want to hear my problems. Uno listen to the show. Uno want entertainment. Uno want energy. Uno want charisma. Uno want vibes.
When it just start to show, you make me boss a big laugh at the office.
Allah.
When you say, why? Me ugly bad when me bad. Me say I nearly dead in there.
No, you don't want to see me when me I put on a good ball, you know. No, it's not pretty. All monkey run from me and you want to see me.
That was a big laugh.
I saw it think said put it. You have to laugh off for yourself sometime, you know. You have to laugh off for yourself sometimes. Show me somebody who can make fun of themselves and laugh off for themselves. I'm going to show you somebody who have it together and secure in themselves. You have to laugh off for yourself. You have to make fool of yourself. Yeah, talk to
me. I come from a meeting in a big hotel on Hope Road. Right at, the hotel right at the stoplight.
Yeah.
Me I tell you, so well dressed, Raga.
Yeah.
And talking and very well trash out, Right?
Yes.
That time before 3 mile runabout change up. And
right.
me I step up in my boss is stepping up, and lick off the whole of my heel boat. Raga, trust me, man, you couldn't hold me in a 3 mile square up and down in my boat.
Yes, man.
Say, I put on a piece of laugh, my friend. So people say, if I hear boat, you drop off and you laugh. So, suppose I did my own. And me and you know, we laugh after ourselves.
Then so it go, you have to laugh off for yourself, man. You have to laugh off for yourself. You have to laugh off for yourself.
Two more things fast and quick.
Yeah.
That baby mother, that lady they were called not the last time.
Yeah, like yesterday.
Yeah. It born me fear.
Born your fear?
Yeah, man, but I think she and a man, they have something now going.
Some link there, no?
Yeah, man, some link there.
Some link there.
Man, so.
Somebody couldn't call, so. Even if you feel something about the mother, you can't just defend the man outright. You can't blame the mother for that. Eh?
I got money, man, if you could get a link about that girl in the country.
Oh.
Born me fear.
No, man. No, man.
She got girl we call it, see, they born me fear.
No, we are going to investigate the matter, because country girl link, you know.
Yeah, man, my country girl call and
okay. No, man, they will link up country girl and touch lane with the donkey lane massive over there and find out what going on. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, a blessings here.
One more thing.
Yes, yeah.
You can't dash out the crowd more Love in There Christmas song pan way.
The Love in There Christmas song?
It mad.
It mad?
All the one today. Jazz,
no draws on Christmas. Cashmat and Supreme Ventures, they will not be having any draws on Christmas. No draws on Christmas.
Man,
so you want to play about that tune now? You want to play about the Love in There Christmas card?
Yes, man, it mad.
We're going to play the Love in There Christmas card. Chris Cross up here, you know, man, China. We're going to play the Love in There Christmas.
Take care.
All right, you take care of your putos. God bless. All right, we're going to go to the phone line now. Hello.
Yes, Raga.
Greetings.
But I chat to you already before, you know, but I don't know, I get cut off.
What? Are your phone popped down, though?
I don't know, you know, but it cut off.
Nothing not going for your credit.
No, 3 month credit, I have on it, you know, so I can't the credit.
Okay. So what going on now, baby? Talk up things to me, make me chop.
Yeah, I have big up my neighbor.
Yeah?
When she can't listen to the because if you just cut off file, right?
Oh yeah, so wait, is a boss neighbor, is a show off neighbor?
Yes, always a hype.
What's the hype and show off with?
She just want like she better than people.
Oh, mine is the person who just take care of herself and clean up herself and not talking about she better than people.
Well, I not say no, but she still hype and
no, but what she do to make you say she show off? What she do? She just not talk to you, that's all?
No, me and I not chat neither.
Why? What she do? She have to do something for you say she show off. What she do?
Well, as I said before, she just hype and them going at them better than you, know, better than you.
No, but you still not tell me what is it them do when them are hype.
You know, me can't go down in all them details they write for the ear, Raga.
Okay then. All right then. Okay. All right then. Bless up here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, good afternoon. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Oh, Raga, you talk about the woman yesterday from Donkey Lane.
Yeah.
Yo, the woman upset me. I want them germs there.
Voila. How old is kids?
Joe, what you call my name for?
No worry yourself, man. Talk up the things. I'm saying, what you say now about the woman? Yeah, what you say now?
Yo, Raga, you called Donkey Lane yesterday, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you. So, they must say something in a something. But what me have to say is, if the girl is 15,
yeah.
I have 20 picnic,
yeah.
and that big man going at the house to have sex with her, consent that is rape.
It's still rape.
Call and defend him as germs.
Right. So what you think about the woman yesterday who call now and just defend the man and like say she not ignore the rape and I go and like say even if the mother did implicitly consent to something for go on, say it's still not rape. What you think about that? Which I don't think the mother did, by the way.
You know, I don't know. They don't like the woman for some reason. Everybody knows that only people don't like me. So I kind of identify with her. So who cares, right?
Right.
But the little girl, nobody now look for it and say, all right, you're making him come defend himself in front of you. I quote him for come to defend himself. When you come defend the little raper for? She's just as bad. And I worry for them people that make them look at country people and say, oh, them ignorant and dark. Because you cannot defend a raper. You have a 15-year-old daughter. You can look for another 15-year-old and go have sex with her and you have a picnic in your house at the same age.
See it there?
Germs, them are nose not and boogo them for grace. But them are defend. Them can defend that.
And
she... I don't like them. The one them for God jail, because them have the man down there know exactly where him there. I've been free to walk up and down and the way he want to top again up and the local girl when rape off.
So what you think about what the allegation when they make, well, them said that the police them had the man in custody and then them said the man get away.
The police them let go the man. Them definitely let go the man. Because when you get jail, ask Karen. Ask the one Karen. You have to have 2 ID, you have to have bill and everything for somebody come let you. You can't just walk out and drive off and never to say the man leave the station and nobody don't know where him there. And then let him go.
So the police them let go a man who according to the caller admits him did rape the 15-year-old girl in front of the mother. According to the caller.
In front of the mother.
You understand?
In front of everybody.
And did a hype on say if them want number for the police, him can give them, knowing full well that if him say that him have the link them with the police set away where him know say him go get to, that's why him did that go answer.
Exactly. Me say, me not incite violence on the radio station in a Raga.
Right.
But no man should hand them a cup of steel wet for a yard.
See there?
I'm part of the also and not inciting violence. Him under it.
See there?
What him a drive off? Out of order.
See there? Hey, but me tell you, man, up to all this morning and thing, people cut up, wicked about it. People vex, all man vex. All man vex me, I tell you. Vex bad about it. And them vex more about the last caller. Them vex about the last caller. Wicked. You understand? But anyway, our blessings and respect.
I said yesterday tears come on. I want to hear the woman call and defend the man. And so adamantly, no, you must ask the woman, the mother what she do, why she giving tea. Ask the mother what, and the man doesn't admit saying go and have sex with the little girl. What you need to ask the mother about?
No, because the issue, I want to tell you, said the mother is not relevant. When I want to say it away where people misunderstand what I say. When you really get down to it, you know, the question is, did this man rape the 15-year-old or not? That not really involve the mother, you know, so I don't know what she bring up the mother in it for. The issue is, did the man rape the 15-year-old girl? When you really get down to the matter and things in terms of whether or not a crime was committed, that is the issue here. Why shall I make it be that whatever the mother do, go and determine whether or not it was rape? That is irrelevant. Did the man rape the 15-year-old? That is the thing. And what I say is, him admit it.
No, in the rape part. And then finally she'll say, well, yes, she's 15, so it's rape. Oh, you mean, no, in the rape part.
But it took some while for she reach that point that to become, you have to keep on and reason out the thing with her and be rational with her before she could have even reached that point that say yes. And when she did it, you could have hear the reluctance in her voice, like she never even want to admit it right there.
You have to lock him up and because him get it from the police one time and not forget no bail until him go court and face a judge. No bail see him.
All right, now say a word.
I would have spent propaganda on the little girl.
I say a word, man. But we there, I will it, man. We are stay upon it and we are going to follow it up and make sure say what needs to be done will be done. All right. Where you call from, Boston?
Yes, Raga. Boston.
Okay. Then how your voice drops, so now? How your voice drops? What? I call, I come in. No, well, I call, I come in, you know, your phone, I beep somebody, I call you, you know. Like somebody hear your voice, and I call you, man. Why you internationally? You're internationally, our. Yo, that's the one I will find while Taliban, all rebel kids, that man. Anyway, we're up in our mix-up, sitting here, we're up in our mix. Here, give me a call, good afternoon, hello. Mix-up and Blenda, greetings. Hello?
Hello, Raga.
Greetings.
Yeah, man, greetings.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm calling about the little girl that they do the raping with.
Yeah,
okay?
yes.
I'm the little girl grandfather.
What, is you was there at the home?
Yes.
Oh, come on.
We were working, doing some work, rather. I do steel work.
You do steel?
I was getting out some steel.
Yes.
And the carpenter, my carpenter friend inside, they do some carpenter work.
So wait, well on. This carpenter man is a man you know for years now?
Man, for years, rather me and that man work, man.
Many years you and him work together?
From about 89, come down, rather, right on to yesterday, me and him work.
Jesus, from 1989 till 2010?
Right on till, yeah.
20 odd years. All right, go and talk now.
You see, and is that him inside they do the carpenter work.
Yes.
They cut the ceiling as you can put up some boxing, and me outside they get up some steel.
Right.
The steel that me get out, rather, I finish so some other steel under some grass, so is that me they call my daughter, fill in your machine that we can chop out the grass to get the steel.
Right.
And we do hear my daughter.
Right.
Then me go on by the veranda and they call my daughter. I mean, I hear him. My little grandson, he hop on the deck and start call her. And she answer. When she answer, little boy say, you know, your Uncle Robbie, they call you.
Yeah.
You know, so is that she come out and say, yes, Uncle Robbie. So I say, oh, you love sleep, because I told me see her face look raga.
Yeah.
You know, when somebody they sleep and, you know, would I wake up and so after her face look. So I say, oh, you love sleep, so.
Right.
And she stand up and look at me and say, what you want, Uncle Robbie? Me say, lend me your mother machine. And she go get the machine and come give me, and the rain start come down and she the outside, they walk up and down in Nigeria, and me call to her and say she must go in. Me notice she got this step and she turn back. I don't know when she left out her yard and go for my cousin and go make them know say the man raping because he never tell me anything. She never tell me anything.
But the point,
I mean.
But you say, so hold on. So you say you notice when she look flustered, like say she did a sleep and look pull up and disheveled or whatever. And then you say after that now she walk up and down in the rain.
in the Joe range, they walk up and down.
You know, say, oh God, I shot the poor little pitney in a shack, you know.
Let me tell you, Raga. Mr. Raga, I can't believe it.
So wait, well, I don't know. So wait, when you send her to go back in the house, she not go back in the house, she left the yard.
Me notice she go up on the step and turn back.
And turn back?
Yeah.
That the time the man still in the house, so the man who rape her still in the house?
In the house, Raga, I never know say me in the room.
Okay.
The man did in the room. You see what I mean?
So I go she don't want to go back in the film, go rape her again.
That's why she never want to go back in.
Oh God.
That she not tell me anything.
So she left now and gone and go up and go and continue now. Tell her what happened now.
Yeah, so it's that she left and go by one of my cousins.
Yeah.
Which I got even know that she leave out of the yard. And after maybe about 20 minutes, me they up on the deck. In the rain they come down, so me they set back some zinc up on the deck. That's the house, the original house now wet up now. So me hear my daughter come and say, Uncle Robbie, come here. So me say, Debbie, me can't come now because me they put back. He said, come now if the house even wet up, come. So me said, no, sir, something wrong. So me come off. I will me go down.
Call her name a while ago.
You mean the daughter name?
Yeah, the granddaughter name.
Yeah, me just call
No, don't. We'll cut that out. Don't call it that. We have to protect a minor when these things happen. Yeah.
Okay,
all right. Okay, we cannot put her name out there because she still have to go to school and all them something and whatever this and that.
So is that?
So no. So just go from when your daughter come to you now and I say, oh, you mean for make the man rape your granddaughter? Yeah.
So me say when that happen, he say since so much long it happen. Me say Raga, me frightened in a way that so would be behind me, just drop down back way upon the wood.
Oh,
me
Lord.
just punish word then because me frightened to know say that happen. That's what I mean.
Right.
And then now the guy come round and me turn to him and say, that happened. He said, Mr. Rabi, me sorry say happen. So me say, what happened? And he me tell me, say, well, she even call her to take down some things off her wardrobe, and when she come, when they know far for the bed or the chair, she make a pitch and him catch her. And the two of them hug up and him kiss her and all this. So he start. He say, what start? He say, have sex with her. Me say, you got sex with her? He say, yes. And my daughter get the number and call the police, and after a while the police them come and so Raga, me they tell you see how the part then they talk about my daughter left T man.
Yeah.
Me don't know when my daughter left out of the yard, Raga. And the carpenter man don't know when my daughter left out of the yard. You see?
Oh.
We don't know because if that so reach, she gone and deliver off almost, you know.
Okay.
You see? So when me the call her now, I can't hear that time no more. No, seven boy, she know the home, she left the yard. That's what I mean. But me tell you, say the woman who call on the back the man last night, yesterday evening.
Yeah.
Are the guy's sister?
Are the guy's sister?
Yes, Raga, one of his sister.
Well, you know if you're fact, I'm sister.
One of his sister. Only for people tell me Raga what deal with her and say I fear vice that. So one of his sister vice that.
Well, that is what people were calling the station and telling us that too. That is why I said that to her.
All right.
Well, stop right. Well, 1 second. When him say to you, say, him beg her if he take off something, and when she take off something, she slip and jump in him, and then
she make her fall and him catch her.
And him catch.
When she make her fall.
Him is a damn liar. Him is a damn liar. Him is a damn liar.
Hey, Raga.
And even if anything did go, so him never did that. That give him no excuse to rape the 15-year-old girl. Your 15-year-old grand. Him is a damn liar.
You see the girl mother, Raga?
Yes.
The girl mother are my first daughter, you know.
Yes.
And my first daughter. And the girl who I'm raping are my first granddaughter, you know.
Oh, God.
You know, Raga, I tell you, know, me feel about it, you know, but me, know, Raga, because I'm me carrying good, you know. And me carry man go there to go to the work, and my daughter call him after a while, you know, make arrangement how much in do the decking, you know. And they agree, and me and him go there and start working. And you hear the girl that talk say, the man work there how much week and not get no pay. 4 days the man work there, no Raga. 4 days work, 2 days with me to put up the belt in and me get pay and pay him. And 2 days. That don't make the Sunday gone, don't make 2 days when time me and him go make up the decking, you know.
Yeah.
4 days, Raga, 4 days.
And then you hear the woman a call, you see that talk about a 4 week in my work, they not getting no pay and all them. So.
My sister, Raga. I want my sister down to 2 days, see one woman. Come from this side and the woman, they say, man, I want my sister.
So what happened with it? So what happened after now? How the police part go now?
Raga, the police, them have him come Sunday, have him try and go back to Wakefield, try and come back down to the house, left from the house and carry him, they carry them, go Falmouth. And then go find out a doctor. Doctor say yes, the girl molest. You see.
So the doctor them confirmed that the girl was in fact raped.
Yes.
Okay.
Because him confirm it to me to Raga down at the yard.
But him tell you, say him do it. Right.
Yes, Raga. Him tell one of the police officers say yes, him do it.
Right.
You see.
Right.
So is that. So is that now after them take statement also from my daughter and my granddaughter Falmouth, the police them carry the man, come up back. But what me they say, Raga, they should have take statement from the man down there to know where he carry him, come up back at Wakefield.
So them carrying go Falmouth and carrying come back at Wakefield?
Yeah, they carry him go Falmouth at doctor, so, and then carry him come back at Wakefield, and him down Wakefield right up to about, maybe about 9:30, 10.
Uh-huh.
In the night, you see.
Yeah.
Me get to understand, say, I take them now, take him now, if he say, all right, then they'll carry him go Clarkstone, if go lock him up. Him no have no handcuff, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
No handcuff, no pan. They come out, the guy come out of the vehicle and gone. He don't have no handcuff.
And this is a man who admitted to raping a 15-year-old girl, and the police have him and put on a handcuff on him for hours. Them have him for hours and put on a handcuff on him.
So,
That's just it.
That means to say no get locked up then, Raga. For he no have no handcuff, he no get no lock up.
And then what happened now?
Right, and them said the officer will carry him by the vehicle, turn back, say if he get something inside at the station. So when him turn back now, at that time now, the guy come out of the vehicle and just walk by and he reach to a distance and run. You see?
So what the police say, them don't know what the man there right now, that them say, right?
Them say them don't know about him there right now.
Wakefield police say them don't know what the man there right now.
Right.
Okay, so which other station want to go down? I want to go Montego Bay or somewhere where?
No man, Falmouth. My daughter did go Montego Bay Monday.
Yeah.
Go Montego Bay era one about it Monday.
Right. And what happened down there, so?
Well, me don't know what really happened.
Okay.
Them talk to my daughter Montego Bay. She never really explained it, to me and say, go say when them call Wakefield, call Falmouth and then call Kingston.
Mm-hmm.
You see, so me don't know. But anyway, Monday night, me see a whole heap of, was it Monday night? Yes, Monday night, me see about 3 cars of the police did come at Wakefield Monday night.
Yeah.
You see, so, and then did park up by the station.
But was that in really, them did come about the case involving your granddaughter?
Yes, I really believe that then come about.
Okay, so it sounds like even though some Wakefield police may have behaved in a way where we not really rate, it sounds like some other police did not take on the matter and deal with it seriously then, right?
Yes.
So it's not the case where all the police them bad, cause we need to make that clear. Say other police did not take on the matter and deal with it seriously, because your daughter pointed out to that she had spoken to some police officer who called up a Wakefield and roughed them up and said they must make sure a report reach by 9 o'clock in the morning because they want to know what exactly happened with this rapist of this 15-year-old girl. So other police did take on the matter and deal with it seriously, and we need to make that clear, right?
Yes, Raga.
Okay, so how is your granddaughter? No, I mean, not give.
Well, she did have an exam that to go school, to go Monday. She go school Monday. Everything all right, and then now she go back at school and study, and maybe about in the 10 o'clock. So she get called from the school, say they must come take her. Because she kind of not operate like first.
Them call your daughter and say them, which is her mother, and tell the mother say she must come for her because she not really too.
Yeah.
Okay. Poor thing.
She go down and get her yesterday and carry her come. But today now she not worry send her at school today.
Well, I want you to know there are people from abroad all over. Them say any assistance you need in terms of counseling, they will pay for it. Right?
Okay.
People are like, give me money. Me say, hold your money. Hold your money till we find. Because I don't want to take people money. People are give me money. And that me I tell you, people are give me money. And I say, hold your money till we find out what is what and we organize this thing.
I really fly up in my head making go do stuff like that. Over the years, rather, me and him work together. Him get work in call me get work me call him. see, so we don't know really what happened. We don't know what happened.
No, but you have some people, bossy term feet daddy, then call them opportunistic criminal, or in a case, he's an opportunistic rapist. Them not really walk on and rape, but if them see the opportunity if go take advantage of something, somebody weak and vulnerable, them do it, and that is what him did go on with and all them something. So, oh, you that? Yes, go on, ta.
All what me have to say, you see, Raga, you see sister was called yesterday.
Oh, God, man, yeah.
If she don't get no picnic yet, she don't get. And if she gets, she will be careful because somebody else will do it with PRCMA.
Exactly.
You see, and when the year says something bad will happen to you, Raga, I not to rejoice because I don't know what will happen to me tomorrow.
See it there? Same point, Michelle, that make when you dig hole for somebody, you better dig one for yourself because you never know where going to reach you. You understand? And but just so you know, all of Jamaica very upset with what she said.
Yeah, I know that, Raga.
They're very upset with what she said.
I know
right?
That,
They're very, very upset with the people, angry people from the United States, from England, from Canada. I call on them very, very upset with what she said. You know, because the fact say she ever imply, say, your daughter, give the man the key and tell him say he must do what him for do. Meaning say since him war for four weeks worth of work, he must go. You ever hear anything so absurd and disgusting?
She a liar, you hear, Raga? She a liar.
I imply say your daughter sell your granddaughter to the man for pay for it. I could just read the news. Ruth, okay, all right, then stay on the line. We're just going to make them read the news real quick and we'll come back to you and close off here. All right. Yeah, man, welcome back up in I sitting and just to praise your people and thing and make you know what going on. Yesterday we get a call about a situation where a mother have a workman at her house and the workman is known to her father and that workman went and raped a 15-year-old girl in the house, the mother's daughter. The grandfather is on the line right here. And what transpired after is just absolutely, talking about rubbing salt in a wound and so forth. Because the police them had the man and was running up and down with him, took the girl to hospital. It was confirmed that she was in fact raped and so forth. They have the man admitted that he did it and so forth. And then conveniently the man, police them said the man run away. And things so the people them call and them load up the thing and whatever and we load it up to and so forth but I want to also balance out the thing to let you know that the mother went to other police officers at headquarters over in that area, and those police officers were more responsive and apparently were more took the matter the way it should have been taken, or from the get-go, and apparently they're dealing with it. And we hope that these police officers know that they have stepped up and dealing with it in a more serious way and whatever. We hope that this matter will be resolved in a way where justice will be done and this man will be held accountable for raping this little girl here in our own house. The little girl probably can't even go in our house, right? Our own house, right? She probably have experience all kind of emotional angst and discomfort and so forth and thing. But yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But about how old is this man?
Maybe about 48, so.
Lord God, some around 48 approach 50 around them age there.
Yeah, about that.
Oh, Jesus. And you say, but from what you know about this man, you work with him from 1989, you say...
Yeah, man, from the time they really work together and me never hear him do something like that.
You don't never think say he would have do something like that?
He would have do something like that. Never think something like that would happen by him.
And it sounds to me that now that you go through this and whatever... I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if you advise all parents, like, just don't trust your daughter around anybody, pretty much.
Nobody at all.
Nobody at all. Don't it?
Nobody at all. We wouldn't advise them to trust against their daughter or granddaughter against no male family.
I know, and the way things are going too, I wouldn't advise them for trust their son around them either, because I'll have some other man over there going with some things with the little boy, them too, and so forth.
Yes,
and you understand. See him here.
Rather.
But listen, I want you to stand strong, and I want you to know, so you have the support. You have Ragashanti full support. And the Tambourine family and the people, them stand ready for stand up with you and defend you. Right?
Okay,
I want to say big up to country girl who called from Donkey Lane and she make bring the matter out there and make her deal with this. And we hear that the police after we load up the thing, I was reliably informed that the police them even more so step up the thing and make sure say them I investigate the matter and deal with it. If they deal with that man will be found.
Okay,
and he will be dealt with the full extent of the law because
one thing on me have to say, you see, Raga,
yeah.
If whether I'm then listening or not, family them they listen.
Mm-hmm.
More like him give up himself, Raga, because after a while, if him the pan the run, the police him also and the pan the run, Fanny escape from Costa, him a wanted man in life is in jeopardy, And me wouldn't really like seven boy other officers see him also and they have to shoot him. You understand, Raga?
But you think about film, safety, right, you know?
Well, Raga, I saw me stay no, Raga. I saw me stay no.
You're a good man. You're a good man.
Either more easy think you himself, Raga, and you know, say, well, boy, I mean, I officer them more than in the up and down. You understand?
No, but the way things are right, you know, you're right. He better give him, because not only police, I think, say, if other people find him right, you know.
Okay.
He could have stick upon him certain way. And when I incite nothing against him, we just I say people are so upset about this and thing, and he's on record that he escaped custody, from the police. So he's a felon, he's a wanted person and so forth. So he better give in himself rather than risk certain things that reach him out there, upon the road.
Right. You see it, sir.
All right. So, but what you want to see come out of this now? What you want the police, them, as a citizen of the country, who is supposed to be protected by the police and protected by the courts, what you want to see come out of this right now?
Raga, justice, Raga, justice.
Right.
Justice. Who fi punish, who fi free. You understand, Raga?
Right.
You see, I just justice because if me they get paid protect you.
Right.
Right, or protect others. Me supposed to stand up and do what me supposed to do.
Mm-hmm.
You know, me not supposed to all lean on one side and the next side. One side they bear pressure and the next side free.
Mm-hmm.
You see, so it can't work so.
All right then. Anything else you want to share? Anything else you want to say to?
No, Raga.
But listen, thank you for calling in and updating us and making we know what go on and give your perspective, your side of the story and thing. And we love how you rebut and then, clarify the thing where the last caller said and people call and say the man's sister. And, we're glad how you call in and clarify the thing because she they tell about a 4 weeks work the man did do they are not getting no pay.
Lie she tell Raga. The man work with me 2 days to do the belting.
Right.
And me PM for the 2 days.
Right.
And he come back and he work 2 days me and him set up the decking.
Right.
And him in charge of the decking.
Right.
You see, and my daughter give him my money. The same Tuesday we go there and work, my daughter give him $5,000.
So and when she talk about your daughter give the man key and tell him to do him do, you say I lie that too.
Nothing like that, Raga, because the man the carpenter man don't know when she left when my daughter left yard. Not even me don't know when my daughter left yard. I suppose some of my granddaughter alone know when my daughter leave yard.
Right.
You see, so I lie she they tell.
All right, then. We're glad you give us some clarification on the part there. Yeah? And you take care of your whole strong, all right? And we will get in touch with the two country girl because we have the link them and everything, all right?
Yeah, man, because we know country girl good, man.
All right.
My daughter and country girl are neighbor.
Okay.
So,
okay.
Take care of your Raga.
Yeah, man, now you take care to her. You must know a country girl very upset about it and very angry about it. And she determined to get justice on it too and thing. All right, you take care here.
Okay,
and you stay strong now. Good. Why, oh boy. Yes, he said, if where he must say right now, where the mother father calling and tell her right now, go so. Then the woman who called in yesterday is a wicked. The point me I'm making, the 4 weeks is irrelevant when you get down to it. Whether it's 4 weeks or 4 days is irrelevant. Whether key did exchange is irrelevant. Whether mother did say this or that is irrelevant. Whether the grandfather did say is irrelevant. At the end of the day, did this 48-year-old man force himself and rape this 15-year-old girl? Mm-hmm. Yes or no? He admitted it.
And she failed to see
He
it.
admitted it. Take everything else out of that picture. The 48-year-old man admitted it. Same rape the 15-year-old girl. At this right there. Nobody distract you no. At this right there. And from him admit it. And police hold him. He's supposed to be held accountable. It's unacceptable that him do it. And it's unacceptable that the police them are going to tell we say him run away after them have him for hours a run up and down. That is the issue. I mean, nobody distract you from that, people. Don't make nobody tell on any other story about Key and what mother do. And what it, all of them things that is irrelevant. When you really get down to the crux of the matter, did this 48-year-old last year in man rape this 15-year-old girl? Right now, the evidence is convincingly demonstrating that he did, based on what we're hearing, that his admission to both the guardian, the parents, the grandfather, and so forth, and also to the police. And if him do that, that is unacceptable. He must be held accountable. And secondly, him shouldn't in a police custody and then saying walk away. Damn foolishness. So we're happy that there are other police officers dealing with this matter and striving to ensure that justice comes to fruition on this. And we're going to watch it, and we stand ready to cooperate and support as deemed necessary. You know? What you say, country girl? Country girl, what happened?
Raga.
What happened, yeah?
Yesterday to cut me, you don't find a blood. This little dirty, nasty, jingy, monkey tail, mule, giraffe face, bamboo tumor, girl, Ragashanti. They don't call from B side. They're defending brother. Raga. Tell the girl, say, me know her name starts with A, you know. And if me grab her, she not gonna like it, you know.
Make the police deal with it at this point, you hear?
Raga.
Yeah.
Tell her, me say. Let me tell her, mix up on the girl. The girl can't revenge. The girl's sister have a man and she want the boy. And the boy not up to it. This is same brother, Raga. Me hear the people that talk about it. I don't know who it is. Saying got molested. He one daughter, 9-year-old, he one sister daughter, you know, 9-year-old, you know. And she want the sister, man. The sister run him out and tell her the sister man do it.
No, hold on. Start over that part. What you said, the same man who raped the 15-year-old, them have it attack, say him did rape a 9-year-old girl?
Yes, his sister 9-year-old.
Him sister 9-year-old girl?
Yes, and two, he want this, he see our big sister, boyfriend, he go tell her, say, I'm brother-in-law.
Who was the big sister boyfriend? Who?
The one who called in yesterday.
Yeah.
So I want to see our big sister man that I see our brother-in-law and the boy not up to it.
Yeah.
And he so me let me know how to talk right and how me grieve.
All right. We have no proof that he actually did something to the 9-year-old girl, so we have to be careful there, okay? We have no proof, because you said that is rumor, right?
Yeah, people, I don't know what it is. That's all me say.
No, but...
Me say yes.
Right.
But from me ear. But if that should be the case, she should look back in herself and say, boy, that happened to me 9-year-old, so I go take it as an example. And the boy there, this side, they walk up and down with towel over her head.
Him there where?
This side, they walk up and down with towel over her head.
This side?
Yeah, then come from.
Oh, what area name this side?
Yeah.
I walk up and down with towel over her head.
So then need to catch him over there.
No, but I'm for I walk up in towel over her head and police say him want it.
People, they see him. People say they see him.
But you seem to be suggesting that if the police really want to catch him, them know where to catch him and pick him up.
That me say.
Okay.
That me say.
We see how it go, yeah.
Let me tell you a part of life. Hold on there, Raga. Hold on.
Yeah. Hello?
Hold on, they come.
Who come? Oh, no, country girl.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
This is the mother.
How you do, mommy?
I'm trying to keep up anyway.
All right. Boy, it's supposed to rough you particularly to hear the last call yesterday, don't?
But I didn't hear it because I didn't leave to Falmouth. But I'm glad I'm in here because probably I couldn't sleep. Oh, me sleep last night.
Well, the woman call and talk about, say, she get it reliably, say, you get a man key and talk about him for do, as if we suggest, say, yeah, give over your daughter to him for the payment of 4 weeks' work. But your father come in and him clear up that matter and make we know, so nothing go so, but perhaps you want to share with me what exactly happened when you were leaving the house.
What I say, when I was leaving the house?
Yeah.
Only my daughter and my son know when me leave the house.
See,
so probably if me did tell my father say me I leave the house. At that time the man with the one go in my room, go cut one fi cut and then go in there for my daughter from that time. So probably he would have killed him that time in the house. Because remember now when my father called at that time, he let go my daughter out, you know.
Tell somebody then near you with the radio. Move away from the radio, yeah?
Okay.
Well, on. You say when your father call, no, don't call her, darling. Don't call your daughter name here.
No, all right.
Okay, we'll cut out that. We don't cut. We have to protect her now, here.
And when my father call and then my son say in a ear, his sister. So he call and when he know his sister, they come out of the room and they cry.
Oh, but you see, that makes sense now, you know, because your father said by the time he come around, him say, your daughter and granddaughter look flustered and whatever, like she did not sleep or
so
something.
when I come in the house, my daughter, they go back and forth, confused. What are this wicked dirty man? And yesterday he was in Wakefield driving up and down in a car. So till when the person tell me, I said, no man, no go so. He said that me not know him. In a car in there with toil over and they drive up and down yesterday at Wakefield. That's what I hear. I can't prove it for myself because I not see him.
With towel over him? With towel?
The lady was called yesterday. If she's lady enough to call that I owe his brother, I guess she should be lady enough to come for the money.
No make she come for money because you may go do her something when not too pleasant right now and now. Make the police deal with it, here. Make the other police them who deal with the matter serious, make them deal with it, here.
Yes, sir.
But we're glad you clarified that because she called and I talk about you give him cancer, this and that. I just want to know, say, the whole of Jamaica people all over the world, immediately them just get upset and angry and mad with her.
Yes, my daughter.
Yeah.
Yes, my daughter. Only thing, so I could give me life for my daughter, because I have to stand up for her. That is the only thing left for me give my daughter. And if I give me life to my daughter, there is nobody behind her again. That's the way. That all of my daughter go to school, a man in time before my daughter go a bus stop. That's the man. That's the man. If God knows this man now, because I mean, no, say God real. So I must Raga country, really, in Jamaica, yeah?
All right. Why? Well, not surprisingly, tears full of place right now because people feel human pain and thing, feel. And we can only imagine what that little girl must be going through. And anybody who might be in any way familiar with the impact of rape, so that little girl going to have a whole bunch of confusion and sadly, without proper counseling, could likely engage in all kind of self-defeating behavior and don't even know why she's behaving that way. We're going to remain in touch with this family and see what kind of help we can deliver to them, particularly in the area of counseling and things, for them to have as best an understanding of what it is that has happened to them and how best to deal with it and the way forward positive.
But we're glad we get this additional information that clearly debunked and refuted what that last caller said yesterday on the show. We have what I think is a more truthful understanding of what actually occurred. Again, we call upon the police officers, we call upon the police force, we call upon the commissioner of police, and we call upon the senior police officers over in that area to make sure that the rule of law is implemented here as firmly as is possible, and to ensure that if this man is in fact guilty, as has been indicated, that he will be held accountable, and that at the very least the family can say that justice was served. It is unacceptable that a 48-year-old man can rape a 15-year-old girl. It is further unacceptable that after being in police custody for many hours, running up and down with this man, that this man is scot-free right now because, as was stated, supposedly he walked away our runway. So we ask the police to implement whatever corrective measures need to be implemented right there to ensure that justice comes about and that this man has his day in court. Give me a call. Good afternoon.
Warm Raga.
Yes, sir.
Will you call me?
Oh, never want.
Judgment. Now listen.
Yeah.
Everybody afraid of the truth.
Mm-hmm.
And listen. You see how long it take you to take an next call? You grieve.
Mm-hmm.
If I did your daughter, you're gone to prison.
Me for tell you.
Well, I know. Listen now. Make me tell you something.
Mm-hmm.
You see?
Mm-hmm.
With that, I'll grieve more to a little boy. Me say, me that grieve more is to a little boy. Because man no make to take them things there. Now
Right.
listen. I hear the father cry.
Mm-hmm.
But at the end of his statement, him better than you. You will say, the brother better give up himself because.
Yeah, greetings.
Hello.
Yes, what's up?
What's up, Raga?
Why, me there?
Cause I forget want to mix up, but Raga, the way I feel right now, I can't even give it to you.
All right.
Because you know why I feel so bad, Raga? I said tears run out of my eye. I have a 15-year-old daughter, so.
Right.
I'm just imagine if it was my daughter.
Yeah.
I'm really feel it for the lady. I'm really feel it for her and the father.
What more, man?
Boy, I mean, I tell her, Raga, trust me, yesterday when I hear the girl, I thought me want to squeeze her neck.
Well, but up to now, nobody can really understand what it go on for your mind. Make sure I take it there. So, but as we say, a whole heap of people calling and hear the father say it and thing, and country girl them say it's a man's sister, you know.
Raga, train no, me want to squeeze her neck because me say, oh, you can't. Not care even if the mother do this or when she claims for the mother do, Raga. You're not supposed to take advantage of kids. The 20 person take advantage of in Raga. It's a child and old people. Me not take this advantage of them.
Right.
Because me see them as helpless. Them can't help themselves.
Right.
And we supposed to take care of them. And we fear take care of them, Raga. And when you do that...
A 48-year-old man supposed to definitely take care of a 15-year-old girl.
Exactly, Raga. And when you do that, Raga, you mash up that girl's future for life. You don't know what him do to her, you know.
Mm.
And the worst thing on top is for even if she had listened and hear that woman, they taught them things there.
Yeah.
You know much things that I do to her, Raga? Because number one, she will start blaming herself.
Right.
Like it's her fault, which was not like her fault.
Yeah, because victims of rape generally go through that and wonder
yes.
if something them do will cause the man to behave that way. Then.
Exactly. And it's about after you convince her if she didn't hear that lady, it's not her fault.
Right.
It should and a man, big respectable man like that. Me not even know if I address him right, you know, Raga. Do that to a child.
Oh, you mean the 48-year-old man?
Yeah. Him do that to a child, Raga. I truly know it make feel cut up. Because every time I hear, listen, remember it, Raga, I picture my daughter come in front of me. What it was, It was my daughter.
Okay.
And I'm so cut up. Raga, one next time I call you and get a mix.
All right. All righty. Give me a next call, you know.
Raga.
Yeah.
Oh, go on.
What you say?
Raga, I'm trying to explain it, trust me. Raga, you know, she's a doctor appointment. Raga, you have to turn back, Raga.
See it there?
I just can't believe it. Raga, I'm telling you something. My sister will go through that thing, Raga. You see, I'm trying to show you. It's like, when me hear the lady yesterday, I just come in time to hear the caller. Then the last caller who called and did a defend out the man. And I said, no, man, how can a woman who is a woman really attack that way? But the fact is that Raga, I couldn't know what really took place before because I just did reaching.
Right.
But I said, I have to log in today because I want to hear what really at place. You understand with the call yesterday? Because I know somebody will call and take her on today, Raga. I just couldn't believe me here. Raga, let me tell you something. This is my sister, what happened to her, Raga. Until now, she's scarring her, Raga.
In what way? Oh.
Raga, she don't know how, right now she's over 20, Raga. She can't maintain a relationship.
Oh.
She's fearful of everything, Raga. Raga, let me tell you something. When it happened to her in a Raga, I was the one who carried it out in a Raga. Because we were watching a show where actually there was somebody abducting a girl, and you know that the cushion them within the coach, Raga, she used it to hide her face in a Raga. Because she just never did want to see what really had taken place on the TV, Raga. And Raga, it took her 2 years.
Because that was she did got you already, right?
Yes, Raga, it took her 2 years before she could have really come tell me, say, is that person who did Raga.
Oh.
Because
was it a family member?
Raga. And at the time, she was about 12 years old.
It was 12 years old that it happened to her?
Yes, Raga.
And when she had 20, she still had got 2 crosses with it?
She's still, Raga. She's still. Raga, let me tell you something. May I show you something in Africa? She not even want to hear nobody will have the name there.
We have the man name?
Yes.
Well, that me I tell you now, him go do that to her and satisfy himself and whatever, you know, in probably like, I don't know, half or whatever.
Raga, while she was going through, she
fall back. Same cause her a lifetime of pain right
Raga,
now.
yes, while she was going through, she was like coming in her top 10 years, and Raga, she fall way below average.
Mash up her life.
Raga, there was a next girl who I knew, Raga, who that happened to, who because of the charm where she got through, she dumb until this day.
See?
Yeah, and that's a pretty feeling, Raga.
Right.
Yeah, understand? And Raga, I just definitely know where that lady there go through because when there was nobody to really deal with my sister, when me I feel I try to deal with it in a Raga. Because she would have explained to me more how she explained to them. And I know why the child never explained to her grandfather.
You see, what people don't understand, what some people don't understand is that when a woman go through something like that, where a man rape her, the last person they want to talk to, right, you know, instinctively is a man. Them, you know, them not really want to talk to a next man right at that moment there.
No,
you understand?
No.
And for some women, even for a lifetime later on, that's why sometimes, very often, when women are raped, it lead up to a destruction of the relationship with them have with whoever them did there with otherwise, because them just feel like a man can't really understand.
Raga, may I
tell
you something, Raga? You know? Raga, me have a daughter in Raga. May I tell you the honest truth, you know? I'm not there which farm with the Raga. Raga, may I tell you the honest truth. Me not trust nobody around her in Raga. And one day somebody said to me, say, yo, you a DJ, you need to open up more. You understand me? I said, I'm fearful bad.
All right, Matara. We have a bump some other car.
Raga, let me tell you something, Raga. You see, if me was a girl who can really defend out myself back in them time, I was like a core girl. Many times them something reach me, Raga.
See?
You understand me? I say, Raga, and Raga, me I tell you the honest truth. I don't only stranger with family member involved in them something, little Raga. Big time.
No. In fact, yeah, man. It's
big,
a high
big,
percentage.
Big time.
A high percentage.
Me don't want her to feel guilty. Me don't want her to blame herself. And again, our grandfather not really try to blame herself. Because there comes a time in Raga, you say, boy, you know what? If I never meet that person, I wouldn't have me place to see this happen. You understand? I understand where the grandfather tried.
All right, Mataran, before the show done, we try bouncing 2 more cards before we cut here.
All right, Raga, just go and bless up yourself. And Raga, try to keep in touch with the family so we out here so can definitely know what going on.
Yeah, man. I will definitely do that, yeah?
Cool.
Right. 1 second. No. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good. Wait, 1 second. Wait, which line this? Yeah, go on.
Yeah, I'm 18 years old. I'm calling about the last caller yesterday.
Uh-huh.
I'm 18 years old, and that lady has no heart. I was raped at the age of 14 years old. 14 years old.
You were raped at 14?
Yes, I was.
Okay.
That lady has no heart, and trust me, I know that she's listening, and I would just like to meet her to see, or even get to talk to her and ask her why she have a heart like that. This child has raped at the age of 15. I guess she has no sex experience, and she's going to call and back a man like this. Trust me, Raga, this lady has no heart whatsoever, no heart, and I just want to know if this lady has any child or planning to have any.
Boy.
Can you imagine that child has been raped at the age of 15 and then she will call and Batman like say, oh, the man have all right to do anything him do?
And I focus on one bag of other things when I have nothing to do with the facts that the man raped the girl and even admitted same raped the girl.
Hello?
Yeah, and then I focus on one bag of other things when I have nothing to do with the facts that the man raped the girl. It's like she not focus on the actual rape. She focus on one bag of other things and I make up some things and I tell a bag of lie where I have nothing to do with the facts that the man raped the girl. The 48-year-old man raped the 15-year-old girl.
The fact still remain that this child has been raped, whether she like it or not. She has been raped and she needs to accept it, say, yeah, him do something wrong. She can't just get up and back a man like that. And him expect him to go walk free. Trust me.
But right now we don't even have prayer right now. We kind of in a way we kind of move her from she right now. We just want the police them to deal with this thing.
The case that hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, the case that I had. I didn't have any backative. I did not have any backative. None whatsoever I had. My mommy, she didn't believe me. Nobody believed me until I was 16 years old when they finally find a man. And at that time, it was too late. It was too late because it's not fun if I was raped and nobody was there to believe me at the time. I know when they find out that true, what the sense them are going to believe me for now? I don't want nobody believe me, but all I'm saying, I'm sorry for this child, and my heart goes out for the family, especially she and the grandfather. He has nothing. He's not supposed to blame himself.
Okay.
He wasn't the cause of this.
When you were raped, was it by a stranger or a relative or what?
I'm hardly hearing you.
Oh, you say you're hardly hearing me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you now.
Yeah, when you were raped, was it by a stranger or a relative?
Hello?
Yes, when you were raped, was it by a stranger or a relative?
It was by a stranger.
It was by a stranger.
The man claimed to say he know me, and it wasn't just rape, it was gunned down and everything.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. So why them never believe you?
I don't know, because the thing is, I grew up amongst boys, mostly men and boys and things, so I didn't really have much girlfriends, like only when I'm at school and things.
Okay.
So normally, they would see me talking to guys and thing, and once them see I talk to a man or something, they might go have it to say and the man there whatsoever.
Okay.
So at that time, even my stepfather was saying that I wasn't raped. I was the one who gave the money and it hurt, so me come say I rape.
Okay, all them foolishness then.
All them foolishness then. Rather, honestly to God, I forgive them, I forgive them, but I may say, the fact remains that this child has been raped and him needs to go down. Trust me, him needs to go down.
All right, then. Blessing.
With this child. Him have a 15-year-old daughter and I go look at the artery and sex with the next 15-year-old. Trust me, this man needs to feel it. And if me tell you, people hear me say me no want have no pitney rag, I true them would even know. I true them would even know why me say that.
All right, then. Blessings here. And I'm just want you to stay strong and go and hold it same way, here.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself.
Yeah, man. Protection. All right, give me a next call, you know.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Hello?
Yes, hello. Yes, hello.
Yeah, I'm not hearing you. I can't hardly hear you.
You're not hearing me? Okay, well,
no.
There's some little technical things we're sorting out here. Are you hearing me now?
Yeah, I kind of hear you.
All right, then, okay.
Pertaining to the caller, we call early on about the transport and whatever. But you don't want to talk a little topic on that, but me still hurt with the caller yesterday. A doctor me there yesterday, you know.
Yeah.
And when me hear she call, the way me feel, me I tell you, if me could have hold her same time and grab her, I would have grab her. Trust me. Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
Me not too hear you now, but me attack same way. Yeah.
Okay. Are you hearing me now?
Yeah, man, me hear you a little bit.
Okay, all right then, cool.
Them need to put a bounty on the man the head so them can hold him because the man the wicked, and them need to put some bounty on them policeman the head will make the man let go. Will let go the man because let them let go the man, you know. I don't know, run him run with nothing because them police are wicked.
Well, and at the same time, do remember say that the other police them depend the case right now and I deal with it,
other police depend it, yes, and everything. I'm not going to say I have good police, you know, but remember me I tell you, to me, you have bad police in the force more than good police right now. Trust me.
You believe
because right now you have some police that takes it from my baby father. Trust me.
Okay. But because you have police that takes it by your baby father, you believe most of the police in the force right now are bad police. You have more bad police than good police.
Let me tell you, to me, if you look into it and you look on how much of them because I taxi him drive, I must tell you, I'm a big fan of hearing so. Yes, when you look into it and say how much police are come towards him, you really need to know. Say, when you look on it and multiply it, you have more bad police more than ever. I must big up to the police them will really jump on the case. But the other case they hear when the woman call and trust me, I cry.
See that? Yeah, man, I will if people feel it wicked, man.
My ball. Me hear when
the people feel it wicked.
When the sister call and trust me, when the sister call me, me there sit down right. And my doctor, I say, no man, either the woman here, a relative, or she grudge the woman or something, but something never sound right with her.
Okay.
But more know how she feels, sleeping, you know. Because I don't know the people them are not now. I could sleep, I have 2 daughters, you know. And trust me, last night I hug them up like, whoa.
See it there?
Yeah, last night I hug them up like, whoa.
All right, now blessings and respect. You just go and hold it. You don't.
We need to put bounty on them on the head still. Trust me.
Just as clarification, when you say bounty, you're talking like
we need to put some money on him head so they find him faster.
We don't want people to confuse it and think you're referring to bounty.
No, we need to put some money on him head so that we'll find him faster.
Right. No, man, the police will find him, man, because
you feel so? If the police them should have find him already.
All right. Well, we have to push them and make sure so them stay with it. Yeah, man, blessing.
All right.
All right, then bounce one more caller for me, send on.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Hey, Raga.
What's up?
Nothing. Raga, first of all, I think that man is mental.
the fact that he can actually admit and say, yes, it's him rape her and wanting, and them can call the police if them want and whatever.
Yeah.
That man is not someone of a straight mind. And the woman that called yesterday, the last caller, she's a wicked, wicked woman. Because you see, a woman like that, I don't want to incite violence or nothing, but a woman like that, you do her something and you just left her roadside, you know. Because she's heartless.
Well, we don't want to go there, sir. We don't want to go there, sir, you know?
Yeah, that's true. But I feel it for that little girl, because so many things are going to happen to her while she's growing up. Because who knows?
Right.
You know, she might be in a shell forever, or she probably might just start run the place, right? And we don't want that, you understand? So it is a very bad thing and whatever. So that's what I really called to say.
All right. Blessings and respect, yeah?
And big up AC Wall.
All right. Proper respect to AC Wall, man. Enough respect to Fan Want. Big up Mixup Yard, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, then. Blessings, yeah? Cool.
Yeah.
All righty then. Bunks and next caller for me, Senna. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Afternoon, Bossy.
Yeah, man, Mickey.
I don't really follow what really I go on, but what I get from it is that a man rape a little 15-year-old. And
yeah.
You know, it really...
A 48-year-old man rape a 15-year-old girl.
Oh, okay.
Then police, then him probably, I think him supposedly know the police, them and move good with them, and the police, them hold him and thing and run up and down with him and whatever. After a while, the police, them say, the man walk where I run where and them can't find him.
John knows that. That's why, Raga, me have a say.
But some other police pick up the matter and them deal with it seriously.
Okay, you see, when you hear say people missing certain things happen in Jamaica, you're not too sorry for people, you know?
Yeah.
No, because may I tell you the truth, you don't know, you don't know where you can't swear for nobody, because, boy, them thing, him go through the system and the court and everything deal with it. It's like, what him do to the little girl is like, she can't heal. There's, I don't know.
Yeah, man, it's a rape is that thing, you know, you can never really 100% recover from it, you know?
Yeah, no matter what.
And you hear the sister just now, I said, boy, is either she get cold or she start run the place red, and that is so true. It's in the literature. It's study after study show that, like a lot of women who you see who are just excessively promiscuous and just go all out and dash it out all about. You're frightened if you know what kind of abuse them they go through, and the confusion that still exists in them. Them define themselves through, sexual terms. Them have confusion. Them can't maintain relationship, or them feel like them, them love man, but them can't love man, and it's just a seesaw and back and forth thing. All kind of thing reach them.
I know a young lady, and it's like she got raped once, and if a man see her and say, hey, she just don't bother with she just give in.
Exactly. And I don't know if there's a joke show we run and thing, but more time the program will just make all them look Benny and them look direction and thing. And we just have to juggle with it and deal with it. See, because of reality, I saw the thing set, and in case you haven't realized it, it's a farmer mix-up. Right? It's a farmer mix-up, but a reality and thing. And we just want enough respect to the mother and the dad and the father until we're going to hold it. And more than anything else, we send out with strength and we love our prayers and we support to the girl, the 15-year-old girl who unfortunately was raped by this 48-year-old man. And we just hope and I want enough respect to the people who offer for help her in any way they can. I will stay in touch with the family and we will can determine what ways we can best help this girl, and whatever thing we can do, we'll contact her after. Well, if I don't want to give me money, I cannot take money from her like that. We have to find out what is what first. All right? Blessings and respect.